Hi there, I'd like to share with you some of my favorite features of this Craftsman tool chest behind me. You see I have the rolling chest. It comes with these nice caster wheels that you see here. This is a 5-drawer. It has a nice large drawer on the bottom. I like the little somewhat like serrated type edge of the handle here, easy to open. Nice, easy slide open, and you have a thin one on top. Another really nice feature is this has a locking system. This comes with this extra bar you put right here. Slides up, goes across, you take your key, put it in, lock it, no one can get into your chest. When you're working, if you want to get this bar out of the way, you can slide it down like that to store it. Next piece, I have the optional chest that goes on top. So this is removable piece here. Again, you have where you can lock this. It has a space right here. And it's actually a dual lock. That way it locks these, but it also locks these drawers as well. So I do like the fact that this one has a top that opens up. It has a thin, shallow compartment up there. On the top, it has 3 sliding drawers. And then you have your long drawer. And it's got 3 of those shallow ones, and then you have this slightly larger one here. Another really nice feature about this one on top is it has the handle on both sides. All right, so if you're looking to get a new tool chest, I highly recommend this Craftsman 5-drawer rolling chest, along with this top chest accessory.